Hello all. Today we are going to learn about the different types of keys. The different types of keys in database management system are as under. First one is your super key, primary key, then candidate key, alternate key, foreign key, compound key, composite key and surrogate key. So what is super key? Super key is basically a group of single or multiple keys in which the composition, the content of each and every column, or you can say attribute, is given. So it is not necessary that a super key's attributes should have a unique identification, means each one of its attribute can be established as primary key. This is not a compulsion. So basically a composition of all the attributes in a particular row is known as super key. What do you mean by primary key? Primary key is a key which is having a unique feature which can be identified through its details. A primary key cannot be replicated, cannot be duplicated, or cannot be filled, leave null. For example, roll number, it cannot be in duplicate it cannot be null. Same is with the email id. An email id cannot be a duplicate id, or two different person cannot have same email id. What is alternate key? Alternate key is basically a key which can be used as a primary key, and it also has the features as a primary key, but it is not used as a primary key. That's why it is referred as alternate key. Next one is your candidate key. Candidate key is basically a key which is the components of the super key with no repeated attributes. Okay, next one in this, for example, candidate key will be student id, roll number as it is not repeated, then the email as it is not repeated. So as you can see, this particular keys are being used from the website of guru99.com/dbms-keys-html. You can have a brief overview of the quiz, and this article is very good to understand the different kinds of keys. This is all for today.